This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. Again, this is the SPY on a daily candlestick chart. And, you know, this 20-period moving average has kind of been the delineating line here. Above it, we're more bullish right now. Below it, we're more bearish. And you can see, even though price, we did sell off, we just took out this low back here, right, just by a few pennies. And eventually it did work its way back up and closed back inside this kind of sideways range we've been talking about. But for the last few days, you can see it has not been able to get back above that 20-period moving average, which is now starting to slope lower here. And we talked about we've got a series of lower highs in price here and lower lows. So here we are today. This is Thursday. You can see, again, has not been able to get above that 20-period. It's starting to move lower. RSI has crossed back below its moving average here at the moment. This will all depend on where we close today. But if we do close near these lows here and the RSI has closed back below and we're below the 20 period, look for whatever the low is today. If that gets taken out tomorrow or maybe Monday, then we should kind of retest these lows back here and maybe potentially, you know, even take those out. We don't have that far to go before we are oversold like we got here, and that's where we would expect another potential rally here. So keep an eye on this. Again, kind of leading towards the downside as we talked about on that monthly chart. We still have some divergence there. That is a bigger time frame, obviously, and would take a longer time to play out. But so far, still kind of stuck in this range, but leaning towards the bearish side here. Economic data set for next week. Some inflation numbers here. We've got Wednesday kicking it off with the CPI, Thursday's PPI, and then Friday core PCE and GDP, along with Michigan consumer sentiment. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.